Hello friends, welcome on Ecommerce Blog YouTube channel. In this video, we will tell you how to create an account on the reddit.com. We all know the Reddit is a social site. As we know on reddit.com, a large number of users live online through the communities. To create an account on Reddit, first open the browser on your laptop or computer. After opening the browser, enter google.com in the address bar. After open Google, enter reddit.com in Google search box. Then click on Google search. After this, now reddit.com would have opened. Click on the sign up button, then enter your email ID. Click on next. Now the form will open. Fill up form, enter your username in the form, then enter the password, then complete the robot verification process. After this, click sign up. This will ask you to related 5 topics community to join selected communities. Now click on finish. You can check your Reddit address by clicking on my profile section. In this way you can create your account on reddit.com. In our last video we described about introduction elomasterblog.com. What is elomasterblog.com? Keep connected with us for creating latest about technologies and trends. You can study the top 10 marketing trends for 2020 blog on blog Elomaster blog to see the new trends of digital marketing in 2020 this year. Here you can study about the trend to follow for marketing your product in 2020. Similarly, our other blog top 10 e-commerce trends for 2020. In it, we provide information related to the product sale related to the e-commerce website is available in this blog. Another blog which says the top 5 social media trends for 2020, which talk about 5 important social media trends in 2020, that how is Reddit, Facebook, LinkedIn, tutors will work. In this article we described each topics clearly and easily, so you can read quality content there. We have explained how to do business marketing through reddit.com, what is subreddit, and get more information about subreddit and other reddit's part, how does Reddit work, what is communities in Reddit, and what is snooze in Reddit, and how to get karma in Reddit, and how to increase your karmas, how to do posting in Reddit, and how to update your karmas scores, and how to update your profile on Reddit, and other related tasks. So you can read our blog related to Reddit communities that will update on 19 January on ecomasterblog.com. Please connected with us for getting more update about latest trend about technologies. We always post quality content and related material to topics and others